here in Tagaytay. This is where I'm going to be spending my Holy Week vacation with my friends. So right now I'm at the lobby. Take a look. I really like the classy decor here. Very nice. So we just walked in. It's super hot outside. Oh my god, I swear. So here's the view. Hi Ori.
Hi.
Annabee. There's my friends. Actually right now, it's a Wednesday. So there's not a lot of people in yet. I think tomorrow they're all gonna be coming. So I wanna enjoy it now while it's not yet so crowded. Like any good hotel, there's a beautiful pool, and it's also overlooking, you can see right now there. So right from the pool, it's not infinity, but it also has a nice view. Part of it is covered, so you can actually swim even if it's so sunny and you don't want to get dark. But if you do want a tan, you can sunbathe. There's a sun deck where there's some sunbeds right up there. So there's something for anybody, whatever you want to do. And also, my favorite part is the jacuzzi. So here behind me, there's a jacuzzi. There you can have the bubbles turned on and you can enjoy there. The jacuzzi with a view of the lake as well. So right there, as you can see, they covered up the ark right now, but usually that's filled with flowers. I'm sorry, hawak akong bote, diba? Yeah, and then that's where you can have your beautiful wedding ceremony with the Tagaytay view as your backdrop. So nice. I'm gonna share some pictures from previous weddings that were held here so that you can have a better idea of what it would look like. Yeah, so it's right here, you can see. So if you were gonna have your wedding here, so your guests would be there. You're gonna walk down this aisle and face your groom right here. There. So yeah. It's covered up right now, but normally, so that's full of flowers, and you'd be standing right here saying your I do's. And there's the aisle right behind you. So nice and intimate and romantic. So they actually have function rooms here where you can have your wedding reception. If you're gonna decide to have your wedding here, again, there's the ark, the altar, where you can have your little ceremony. And then up there, oh, you can see it from here. Okay. Okay. So up there, on the third floor is the function room. So it's really nice for like intimate weddings because they haven't set it up yet now, but I'll show you some pictures. Over here is where you're gonna have the chairs set up for your guests. So if you want to spend your vacation here as well, just look at the description below and I'll send you all the information on how to book your stay.